Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Iqra online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary Schools, Pakistan, a project of Iqra education system. Dear students, in the last video, we learnt about maintaining register, index, section, and paper formats. Today, we will learn about the first chapter from Secondary Stage English Book 2. Yes, that is your English book in class metric. And the first chapter is the poem, The Voice of God. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, this is chapter number 1, poem, The Voice of God. Before I go on to reading and I explain you the whole chapter, that what the poem means and what the poet wants to tell us in this poem, let's go through some keywords which are used in this poem so you have no problem in understanding what the poet says to us. The first word is sought. The word sought is the past participle form of seek, and the word seek means to attempt to find. So sought is the past participle form of seek, and the word seek means to attempt to find, or in simple words, to try to search. The second word is topmost, which means the highest. Next word is steeple, which means tower of church. Another word is declared. You must know this word, declared, if you have studied kinds of sentences, and in that you study the first type of sentence or kind of sentence is declarative sentence, in which we state something, either in positive or in negative. So the word declared means said or stated. This is also the past form of declare. So it is used in past form, declared, which means said or stated. The next word is dwell. Dwell means to live. The last word is bring out. This is a phrasal verb which means to present. Bring out means to present, to bring forward, to let others know. So these can be the possible meanings of the phrase bring out. I hope you have understood these keywords for the poem The Voice of God. Now I will explain you the poem The Voice of God. This poem is written by an American poet, Louis I. Newman. Louis I. Newman was born in 1893 in Providence, Rhode Island, USA. He studied at Brown University and completed his doctorate from there. Later, he was appointed as a lecturer at Columbia University. Louis I. Newman has written many books on religious subjects and was famous for his religious frame of mind. And his poem, The Voice of God, represents his inner connection with religion. This poem is apparently short, but it actually has profound meaning, as we know and believe that God is omnipresent. He is present everywhere, but neither we can see God nor we can hear Him. Then what does the title of the poem mean, The Voice of God? Let's read the poem and find out the answer to this question. You may look at your books I'm reading while you listen to my pronunciation of the words too. We have already gone through a couple of keywords used in this poem, so I hope you won't have any problem in understanding those words right now. So I'm gonna start this poem right now. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, go down again. I dwell among the people. So my students, in these lines, the poet says to us that he had a strong desire to make conversation with God. In simple words, he wanted to feel, see, and hear God. In this connection, he went up the tower of church. When he reached at the top of the tower, God told him to go down again because God lives among the people, in the hearts of the people. This poem explains us that it is impossible for us to see Allah physically in this world or to hear His voice. But Allah invites us to explore this universe. Who created it? Who created sun, moon, earth, trees, oceans, rivers, and everything around us? Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created each and everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invites us to help His creature. By helping and pleasing mankind, we can please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So through this poem of Louis I. Newman, we have understood that if we want to feel Allah, we should serve the mankind. In short, service to humanity is service to God. So dear students, this is the end of this video session, and I hope you have clearly understood the explanation of the poem, The Voice of God. In case you have any problem or confusion, you may watch the video again or leave us a message. Inshallah, we will give you an immediate feedback. Now note down the homework at the end of this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.